everyone. Welcome to Dollar Tree Tuesday. So, I have a little haul for you, and I'm trying to get this haul done because I'm actually filming it on Sunday because I have to put a baby basket together for this afternoon. So, without further ado, we're just going to jump on in here. I got some cute things in here and some things that I've been looking for and a couple things that I've never seen before. So first of all, I picked up some tissue paper. We all see this tissue paper really is a good value for $1 if you're in a hurry. And here is something that I have been looking for, and I'm still short a few. Now, I've agreed to take pictures and let them display them in Dollar Tree, but it's this peel and stick wall decor that looks like tile. And this is really cool. It's removable wall tiles, peel and stick. It's by Main Street Creations. So it is not a Dollar Tree item. This is silver and gray tiles. This is really pretty. And I need about 10 more. They measure 8 by 8, so they're 8 by 8 squares. And I have looked everywhere for these, and I finally found some at my main Dollar Tree. And she said she was trying to save me some. She shouldn't have put them out because as soon as she put them out, they disappeared. Now, they also have some that's a copper with a fleur-de-lis on it, but I really need this right here. So if you guys see these stickers in your Dollar Trees, please pick them up and I will send you money for them. I need about 10. To finish, I want to do behind my stove because for whatever reason, our apartment complex decided it would be a great idea to paint everything in flat paint. That's right. Even the bathrooms are painted in flat paint. Nothing is painted in enamel, which is really yucky. So it's hard to clean. When you clean the walls, the paint comes off, and then you have to touch up the paint, which is a real pain in the tuchus. So, silver and gray tiles. If you see these, please pick me up some. Let me know. Please, please, please. All right. That's my plea for the day. Then I just picked up 2 of my favorite pens, the R2 Precision Rollerball pens. These are my favorite pens. They write so smooth, and I wind up losing them all the time because I think people pick them up when they're using them and just take them on home with them because they do write good. They never skip. I can write on like my calendar that's on my refrigerator. I never have to take it down to write on it. It never skips a beat. My favorite pens. Now, I picked up some items from, like I said, my baby basket. And that is ever continuing to grow. I picked up these little curly cues to go on my basket when I wrap them up. And to go along with that, I picked up the shrink wrap. I will not be using this bow with it, but I picked up the shrink wrap I'm going to wrap the basket up in. Now, if you would like to see a video of me putting the basket together, I will have one coming out on Wednesday, I hope. So then I picked up some of these little safety pins just to decorate the ribbons. I'm going to tie them on the ends of the ribbons. And remember when I hauled the carabiner, couldn't find one in blue? Well, I found one in blue, and I'm going to keep the red one for myself. So when my daughter and I go to the theme park, I can clip it onto her stroller and hang my cup and stuff from there. But I did pick up a blue one. And then every time I do a little gift basket for children or babies, I always try to put a couple of books in there. And these are really cute books. This is my first book of prayers, Children of the Lord. And it's just really cute. It's a board book. And it's really pretty sturdy. So I picked up this one. And then I picked up God Made Me. And her theme for her nursery is kind of woodland theme. So I know this one will fit right in. And I'll put that one on top. Then I picked up, y'all, I'm sorry this is in no particular order, but I'm trying to pull things out that kind of go with the baby stuff. I picked up these little booties. I thought these were really cute. They're like little sock booties, and I thought they were really sweet. And then I picked up this little doggy washcloth. I thought that'd be really cute. And then something I never have seen in my Dollar Tree stores, and it must be in this bag to go along with the baby basket. Oh no, where is it? Oh, I'm going to be so mad if they left it out of my bag. Oh, gotta find it. Sorry guys, oh here it is. I'm doing this right out from the store. I just came in. Look at these beautiful little baby cloths. And these are distributed by Greenbrier, but they look so pretty. It looks like something you would find in Tuesday Morning or even some of the other stores and the netting and stuff. I just thought those were really cute. Little washcloths. And then I picked up some unscented nosy wipes. These are great for babies when they have the runny noses. And then I just picked up a little sippy cup. I was looking for a blue one, but they had had yellow and pink, so I went for the yellow one. And then I picked up some Epsom salt because I'm going to make up some little bottles for her with essential oils. I'm doing a sleepy time bath soak, and it's Serenity and lavender oils. And oh, it's really nice and really helps babies rest. And then I'm going to fix one up that she can put inside like a candle wax thing or whatever of Breathe, in case baby ever gets stopped up. It can open their sinuses and stuff, and it's real gentle. So I think that is it for the baby stuff. Then in the sticker section, I can't remember if I hauled these or not. This is terrible, y'all. But I went and hauled them again, so I hope I didn't. But if I did, I'll have an extra set. So I found these stickers, and they're happy birthday. And they come with different sayings like here, and then the alphabet letters. I'm actually using the alphas to, one of these that I picked up to go on to label my bottles. But I found these. Thought that was really cute. Then I found some that says spring, like this, and then it has these stickers, and then here's the alphas. And then here's one that says summer, and it's really cute. It's got the flamingo, a surfboard, and then these words and these alphas. And then I really like this one. I picked it up. I started picking these up just because of this one, and then I saw the other ones. Now, I know I hauled the 4th of July one, so I did not pick that one up. But this one is for a trip. And I thought this is really cute. I think these would be cute to put some little albums together or something. And then I just picked this one up. I'm not really all into that sports stuff, but I did pick that one up. So, yeah, there you go. So I picked those up. Then I was walking down the beauty aisle, and I found some new Muscunchi name brand hair twisties and things, and I picked these up. Aren't these pretty? Look how they sparkle, and they're pink and like a bright pink, mauvey pink, and like a little sandy gold tone. But I thought these are really cute, and you get 5 of them for $1, which I think is really good for this name brand right here. And then I found these other little baby things, little hair accessories, and they are so cute, y'all. And I think they would make the cutest little embellishments and stuff, and that's what I'm going to use them for anyway. Except I may have to go back and get my granddaughter one, but look at these. They look like little flowers. So they are on their, only thing I can say, they're on their Velcro. I think that would be easily pulled off. And then I found them in the white with a little pink bling on them. How cute is that? And then I found the pink with the satin, like regular bows, and they have a little pink flower in. Oops, sorry, little pink flower in the middle of them. See that? I think these are really cute, and I think I can turn these into embellishments really easy. So then I keep hearing people make their own metallic ink sprays and stuff, and they use the eyeshadow. Well, I found this, and I'm going to see if this will work. It's LA Colors Loose Face and Body Shimmer. And it says Shine Like a Star. This is what it is. And it looks really metallic-y and everything on the inside. So I'm going to try to make some of my own sprays. And then I just picked this up because I'm about out of coffee, and that would be a no-no. And I'm not shopping for the month yet. That's not until this next Saturday. And so I did pick up some of this. I'll let you guys know how it is. I've never tried it before. They've only had flavored coffees in there before, But this is called Breakfast Blend Roasted Ground Coffee. So we're going to give it a shot. And then I picked this up from a little kiddo. He loves cinnamon applesauce. And his grandmother always gives me money to buy groceries and stuff for him to fix. And so I picked him up some cinnamon applesauce because he really likes that a lot. And one more bag of stuff, which I'm thrilled to find. You're going to see some DIYs come up pretty soon. Not from this, though. Y'all, I have a good pair of sunglasses, but they don't have readers and stuff in them. I've never seen these in Dollar Tree before, but they're sun readers. Isn't that cool? So I found these. I know, look there, I have really terrible eyesight close up. I should wear bifocals, but I just can't. I can't make myself do it. And I think they look really good. So, and I'll be able to read in the sun. So I just thought these are really cool and picked those up. And then I just picked up a little glass case to go with them so I can change my glasses out. These are really cool looking. So they're pretty deep enough for my glasses to go into. So, yeah, when you take all the plastic out of it. So I picked those up. Then on Thursday nights when I do lives, excuse me, y'all, I turn my air conditioning and stuff off because it interferes so much with the live streams. But it gets warm in here. So I picked up one of these little desk fans. And I'm hoping that it'll work. And so I picked up some AA batteries that said to go with it. So we're going to try this out. And I don't have a little screwdriver with me right now or we would test it out. But so I did pick this up and some batteries to try it out. Then in the kitchenware, I needed a new spatula, but I love the little ones. And y'all, these are the best buys ever at Dollar Tree. The little silicone. This is a little silicone scraper and the spatula. These really are worth the $1. You would pay a little bit more for those in a store. I think I was looking even at, I saw these one time in, what am I trying to say? TJ Maxx. And they were $3.99. So almost $4 versus $1. And of course the blue matches my kitchen. So I was really happy to find this. We haven't been carrying those lately. And so I wanted to give them a shot. Then also for my kitchen, I'm going to change out some of my magnet decor in my kitchen. Or some of my signage in the kitchen. And y'all, I found these cutest little things. Like, I like to have some, like, things to clip up notes and things like that. And look, I found this. Look at that. Now it has the little stand on the back. This one says, ready for a coffee break. And I just thought this was really cute. Has a little closure there. And this one says, wake up and smell the coffee. And they had another two. One of them said something about it was a different color and had the best way to start the day is a cup of coffee. And then the other one was pink and it said Queen Bean. And it had like a little coffee bean, but it was pink. And it didn't really go in my kitchen. So I picked these two up for that. Then I picked another one of these up. I was actually trying to look for some more of these. I think I have a total of 3 now. I'm going to have a DIY project coming out next week with these. I've been wanting to, remember all the blue frames that I hauled last year and everybody would search for them for me. And I've been wanting to do like a big montage with them. And I just didn't know how I was going to do it. And then I saw Bargain Bethany and she did a frame thing, and I liked the way she did hers, but I wanted mine to be different, of course, and I wanted to put my own spin on it, of course. And so I have an idea for these. So you'll have to stay tuned next week to see that. And then, look, unicorn pen, all sparkly. And it's just really, really cute. Just a thin little pen. Has a little cover on it, but it has the little unicorn. And the unicorn can easily come off of there. And it is going to come off of there, but it is for an embellishment I want to do. And the person I'm doing it for, if she watches this, she will know who it's for. Then I picked up this glass trivet for a DIY and a pie pan for a DIY. So all these DIYs will be coming out shortly. All these the DIYs I'm doing now will be coming up for my decor makeover for my house. I am not remodeling per se, but yes, I'm changing out my decor. It's still going to be very nautical, but I'm changing it up a little bit. I wanted something different looking, and I just didn't want the same thing. Because some of my pieces are looking a little tired. They've been here for 2 years, and they're just looking a little tired, and so I'm going to give them a break, and I'm going to repurpose them. I'm not going to throw anything away by any means, but I'm going to be doing some repurposing of the items. So I'm excited, and I hope you will stay tuned for that and look forward to that with me. And I'm really looking forward to seeing if this eye shimmer stuff works. Because I really would love to make my own sprays. Can't afford to buy my sprays right now, and this was the last of my Dollar Tree haul here. So I got to put this baby basket together because I have to get pictures over to Dollar Tree and all that stuff. So if you'd like to see the basket I put together, stay tuned till Wednesday, and I will have that out for you. All right, thank you for joining me. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Let me know what your favorite thing was. And please give me a thumbs up. It really, really does help all of us contenters who put out stuff for you each and every week. It lets YouTube know that you like what you're seeing, and they will promote our videos more for us. So please give me a thumbs up. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button down there, and once you hit the subscribe button, the bell will pop up. Make sure you tap it too, so it says notify each and every time I upload a video. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Have a great week, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.